Hi there. Are you taking a break?
Yes, I am having my morning coffee.
I need a coffee too. I am so tired today.
Did you go to bed late last night?
Yes, I watched a movie until midnight.
You need to sleep more.
I know. What time do you usually wake up?
I always wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock is very early.
Yes, I'm an early bird.
Do you use an alarm clock?
My phone alarm rings every day at 6.
I usually wake up at 7:30.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is check my phone.
I never look at my phone in the morning.
Really? What do you do instead?
I get out of bed and drink a glass of water.
Drinking water is a very healthy habit.
After that, I go to the bathroom.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I always take a warm shower.
A shower helps me wake up.
Then I brush my teeth and comb my hair.
I brush my teeth after I eat breakfast.
Do you eat a big breakfast?
Usually, I just eat some toast and eggs.
What do you drink with your breakfast?
I always drink orange juice.
I prefer drinking hot tea in the morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat a bowl of oatmeal with fruit.
That sounds very healthy and delicious.
Yes, it gives me a lot of energy.
How long does it take you to get ready?
It takes me about 45 minutes.
You are very fast.
I lay out my clothes the night before.
That is a very smart idea.
It saves me a lot of time.
I always spend 10 minutes looking for my keys.
You should put your keys in the same place every day.
I try, but I always forget.
What time do you leave your house?
I usually leave the house at 8:15.
How do you go to work?
I take the subway to the office.
Is the subway crowded in the morning?
Yes, it is always full of people.
I am lucky because I walk to work.
Walking to work is great exercise.
Yes, my office is only 15 minutes away.
My subway ride takes 30 minutes.
What time do you start work?
I start working at 9 o'clock sharp.
I start at 8:30.
What do you do first when you arrive at work?
First, I turn on my computer and read my emails.
I do the exact same thing.
Then I make a list of things to do for the day.
A to-do list is very helpful.
Do you have a lot of meetings every day?
Sometimes I have 2 or 3 meetings.
I hate having too many meetings.
Me too. They take up so much time. What time do you have lunch?
I usually take my lunch break at 1 o'clock.
Do you eat at your desk?
No, I always go out to eat with my coworkers.
I usually bring my lunch from home.
Yes, and it's usually healthier.
What do you do after lunch?
I go back to my desk and continue working.
I always feel sleepy after eating lunch.
That is when I drink my second cup of coffee.
Good idea. I should drink coffee in the afternoon, too.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5:30.
Do you go straight home after work?
No, I usually go to the gym.
You go to the gym every day?
No, only 3 times a week. What do you do at the gym?
I run on the treadmill and lift weights.
Exercising after work is a good way to reduce stress.
What do you do after you finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock and walk home.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Yes, I love cooking dinner.
What time do you eat dinner?
I usually eat dinner around 7 o'clock.
Do you eat alone or with your family?
I eat with my husband.
That is nice. Who washes the dishes?
My husband always washes the dishes.
That is a very fair arrangement.
Yes, I cook and he cleans. I live alone, so I have to do everything myself.
That must be tiring sometimes.
I usually order a pizza if I'm too tired to cook.
What do you do in the evening to relax?
I like to watch television or read a book.
Do you watch the news?
No, the news makes me worried. I watch comedies.
Laughter is the best way to relax.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually take my dog for a walk.
Walking a dog is a nice daily routine.
Yes, he loves going to the park.
How long do you walk him?
We walk for about 45 minutes.
When you come back, what do you do?
I take a warm bath and listen to some music.
A bath sounds very peaceful.
It helps me sleep better.
What time do you go to bed?
I always go to bed at 10:30.
You have a very healthy sleep schedule.
I need 8 hours of sleep to feel good.
I try to sleep by 11:30.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Usually, it takes me 10 minutes to fall asleep.
I fall asleep as soon as my head hits the pillow.
You are so lucky.
My daily routine is very simple.
Having a routine makes life much easier.
Yes, I don't have to think too much.
Is your routine different on the weekends?
Yes, the weekends are totally different.
What do you do on Saturday mornings?
On Saturdays, I sleep until 9 o'clock.
That is a nice change from 6 o'clock.
Yes, my body needs the extra rest.
Do you still eat oatmeal for breakfast?
No, on weekends, I make pancakes.
I love pancakes with maple syrup.
It is my favorite weekend treat.
What do you do on Sunday afternoons?
I usually do my laundry and clean the house.
Sunday is a good day for chores.
Yes, so I'm ready for the new week.
I usually visit my parents on Sundays.
That is a nice family tradition.
We always have a big lunch together.
Does your mother cook the lunch?
Yes, her food is the best in the world.
Then I go home and prepare my clothes for Monday.
The cycle starts all over again.
Yes, week after week.
But I like my daily routine.
Me too. It keeps me organized and happy.
Well, my coffee cup is empty now.
My break time is almost over too.
I need to go back to my desk.
I have to finish a report before lunch.
Thank you for the nice conversation.
You are very welcome.
We should have lunch sometime.
Yes, maybe next Tuesday?
Let me check my schedule later.
Send me a message when you're free.
I will definitely do that.
Have a very productive morning.
Thank you. You have a great morning too.
See you later.
Bye.